for you two on cardboard, so I thought why not do video this stuff. Let's just see that you've seen a demonstration before. Cause I put white on it now and it looks so cool. I thought, oh, I'm bored, why not do video of it with the white? And yes, the TV is on. It's cause Super Bowl's on right now. So yeah, you're right. I got this like it in the box from the first store the other day. It looks like it. I don't know what's on my phone now. So it kind of looks blurry. I don't know why that is. My phone's coming now. So yeah. But my phone's on leash. I wipe the camera off. It don't look broken, nothing. It's not bad. It's a weird blue spot. One that's good to record. So I'm gonna do right off this demonstration. When I was turned on, to shut the light on. Really simple, the light turned on. I really think it does look good, even when the light is turned off. I'm not going to do a spin down nothing, and I'm not going to do a demonstration as well. And for that, the light also came with this television pole in the middle. For fact, somebody had a Zen deck. I just seen the television pole from another family. So I put on this, and it exactly match exactly, which is funny. So television pole on the one you see, but it looks so good on here. And I have an extra extension on the fan one here, so let me see. This is extension, because this connector up here and one right here, such extra extension. The fact that the fan chamber is right here, it's not bad, but fan looks nice with this. And for above tables, sometimes guys have portraits and he won't. This is, so let's roll with the white. It's kind of like plastic, not much real. Look, we're different on that. Those low and high, but medium and low, go low. And I put all blazers up in it. It was moving, that's why. So, and this is quiet. I love this, and I was wanting more too. I love this, and I love the light. It's like fucking good because it looks like love is chandelier type light. Chandeliers with good tools. It does hit low, it will hit your head, but it don't matter because it's above a table, so it's not going to hit everybody's heads. It's above the table. So, yeah. Then she's don't match the white on the I said already. The pig looks so good. So sexy. Then like the glossy blackness, and the white is in some type of bronze. I can what bronze it's an unwritten ceiling camera, but whoa. And was going kind of slow. The blades are steep as hell. So I'll pitch them a little bit and goes good spin and it blows in my ear pretty much. It's big steeper. This is nice and sweet, definitely hunted this morning. I straightened up, I didn't even buy wobbles because of box, so stupid guy. Box. I look, you know, it's okay. Sure. It's not as much all this week. Should miss because I feel like it. Patrick will work like this. Okay, so as well, which George stays most of the time acknowledging for it's a 4K because it's been 4K. It's just staying for tonight because it's nice to know. It's not long to low 24 summer goes. Right now, it'll bust the floor close to this. It's winter, but sun's still in the 50s again tonight, which is still wonderful. This, I guess you just 22 way, 2020 midnight goes. I didn't think about that. Last night, just oh my god, months ago, but still 2022, so. If you don't remember, this is Swell from Facebook with that chat telling us what's the restoration thing. Unknown Bible thing, so. Alright, let's start trying the way I have it, which is what. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed the Super Bowl. That's fun right now. So yeah, piss the fuck out.